Brace for more rain. The warning from the Met Office this evening as thousands of Jamaica grapple with the wet weather wreaking havoc across the island.
From the east to the west, motorists and pedestrians have been stranded. Debris have decorated roads, and in one instance, a dramatic rescue mission.
We have team coverage this evening, but first, what's the Met Office saying? TVJ's Kirk Wright joins us live with that report. Kirk?
Doreen, Archie, it's no surprise we are having rainfall. The Met Office says there's a trough across the island and it's causing the rainfall we've been getting over the last few days. As such, a flash flood warning has been issued, meaning floods have been reported in several areas and more are expected. Today I spoke with head of the weather branch who says she explains actually why the warning should not be taken lightly. The rainfall has been on and off.
This is what we're going to be expecting for the remainder of the afternoon into tonight. Come tomorrow though, there's a possibility for a break. So we're looking for mostly cloudy conditions in the morning. And then in the afternoon, we have a return of the showers. Not to this extent that we're experiencing today, but a gradual decrease as of tomorrow.
It still doesn't mean the rain will stop anytime soon.
We're in May. So you're going to be hard-strapped to find sunny days in May, but you could have sunny mornings and then in the afternoon rainfall activity. Remember, May signals the start of the rainy season, which is expected to peak in June. So these are the sort of weather conditions that we're expecting to see in the next couple of weeks into June.
Doreen, Archie, it's also important to note that a flash flood warning is the highest that can be issued by the Met Office. A flash flood means flooding is possible. Doreen, Archie?